thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Rajesh from Gopalan Aerospace. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing today. Hello sir, glad to have you here.
Nice to meet you.
Without taking your much time, let's begin with the first question. Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Yeah, sure. Hello all, I'm Rajesh. I'm a marketing manager from Gopalan Aerospace, and we are in the industry for almost for 45 years. And when it comes for Gopalan Aerospace, we are founded in 2018, and we have 3 series of drones, and we have exhibited in Drone Expo in the earlier year, and this is our second year we are participating in Drone Expo. And to explain about our company products, we have 3 variant of drone. So one is agriculture drone. We had named it as Aki 610.
Okay.
And we have apart from agriculture drone, we have both octocopter drone, logistics drone for medical pod, and the other one hexacopter for fire extinguisher drone also.
It's very needful.
Yeah.
Very
So this agriculture drone, it is a type certified, and we can it is approved by the DGCA government of India, and we can able to sell for the farmers, and they can claim the subsidy part of it also.
wonderful.
Yeah.
So sir, do you have, this is your hero product?
Yes, this is our hero
Yes.
product. Yes.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So sir, do you have any message
Yeah.
you want to convey to the potential customers, visitors and individual exploring your booth today?
Yes, ma'am. In Gopalan Aerospace, we built on trust, and we can able to give our service best for the customers, and the products which has our highest reliability and with on-time delivery for your requirements also. So you can take our products with trust, and that is our logo with Gopalan Enterprises also as a parent company. And with the group of Gopalan Aerospace, we are in the industry of aerospace manufacturing company. And drones is a recent addition, and we are exploring good business in the market as per the management. Yeah.
That's really nice. So sir, do you have any USB?
USB in the sense in Gopalan, we are like a one-stop solution provider for all our customers. So in Gopalan Aerospace, you can find heavy engineering, you can find precision machining, you can find sheet metal fabrication and non-metallic composites and drones, everything in one place. So
For different sectors.
And if a customer coming in to our company, he can able to find all his requirements in the one place. So that is our unique USB.
One-stop solution.
One-stop solution. Yeah.
Okay. So sir, I hope you had the great experience at Drone Expo in Bangaluru.
Yes.
September, we are bringing it to New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
For sure. And today from morning till 4:30 in the evening, there was number of footfalls, and there was good crowd organized by Drone Expo. And we were very much impressed with the organizing committee, and it was really good. And we would sure like to participate in your upcoming drone also.
Nice to meet you, sir. Looking forward to meet you in New Delhi as well.
Nice meeting you. Thank
So
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.